Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how to rename a form in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. This simple process will help you keep your files organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see all your files and folders neatly arranged. Next, locate the form you want to rename. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top of the page for quicker access. Once you find the form, look for the 3 vertical dots located next to it. These dots represent additional options available for that specific file. Now, click on those 3 dots. A menu will appear with several options. Here, you will see the option labeled Rename. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking Rename, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter a new name for your form. Type in the new name that you wish to assign to your form. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered the new name, don't forget to click on the OK button to save your changes. If you decide not to rename it after all, you can simply click Cancel to exit without making any changes. And that's it. You have successfully renamed your form in Google Drive. This small change can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your documents. Remember, keeping your files organized helps streamline your workflow and saves time when searching for important forms. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively. Happy organizing!